Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to make a pretty short video. It's going to be about the bird's nest ferns, these ones right here. And what I'm going to talk about really fast is if you've ever had any leaf deformities like this. So you can see that the leaf is just deformed. There's no browning, it's just deformed. So like here, let's see, like on the edges, this is different. The browning is going to be different than what I'm talking about here, where it's just it's completely green, it looks healthy, it's just deformed. What this is caused by, if you notice that you're having a lot, what this is caused by is too much fertilizer. So these plants they do need to be fertilized, but if you put too much fertilizer in the soil, or if it builds up in the soil, you're going to start getting these deformities. So when you see these in your plant, just know that it is there's too much fertilizer in your soil. And what you'll need to do is you need to flush the fertilizer off the top and out of the root ball. And to do that, what you want to do is you just want to get a good flow. You want to put like a hose and have the water run out the bottom. And as the water runs out the bottom of your pot, it'll take out some of that fertilizer. And then what will happen is, these leaves will stay the same, but the new growth will start looking more normal, like this one right here. So you can see, so this one's after I did a flush, and it's starting to look a little bit better. This one's looking a little bit better, but these ones are caused by too much fertilizer. So if you have deformities that aren't brown on your bird's nest fern, too much fertilizer, and you're going to need to flush it.